Welcome to the experiment. We invite you to teach a robot to do some tasks. First, let's get familiar with what you'll see on the screen. A robot is right there in the center. It has a fixed base and two movable links. Right below the robot, you'll notice two buttons. These buttons introduce the skills we're hoping the robot will learn from you. Skill 1 is about guiding our robot to move to a red spot, starting from anywhere in a gray area. The second skill is a bit different. It's about moving the robot to a dashed line, no matter where it starts. Feel free to use these buttons to check out the skills. There's also a countdown clock that'll tell you how much time you have left to watch these movements. Just remember, once we start the actual experiment, you won't be able to watch them again. Now for the fun part, teaching the robot. At this stage, imagine a yellow dot on the screen. That's where the robot's hand is. You'll also see a blue arrow pointing out from the robot's hand. This arrow shows how fast and in what direction the robot's hand is moving. Your job is to guide this movement with forces. Here's how. Just hold down the right mouse button to start drawing a green arrow. This arrow is your way of telling the robot how to move. You can draw as many times as you need to get it just right. Happy with your arrow? Great. Press the OK button to confirm. A light green arrow will then show up, indicating the exact force the robot needs at that moment. Use this feedback to keep improving your teaching. When you're ready to move on, click the Next button. You'll see a progress bar at the bottom of the screen, and a message will pop up once you finish a teaching session. Click OK to check out how well the robot has learned the skill. In this experiment, you're going to have 12 rounds of teaching episodes. Think of each round as an opportunity to give the robot 5 mini lessons or demonstrations on how to do its tasks. Just a heads up, during the very first and the very last rounds, you won't see the light green arrows showing the exact force needed to see how much you've helped the robot learn motor skills. Now, let's start the experiment.